Hey guys, welcome back to this week's Semi-Live. We are changing things up once again. We are getting to that part of the year where it's almost deer stuff, but we're not quite there yet. So me and the interns, the two interns, I picked them up in Iowa this morning. We drove over to buddy's Kaleb Comstock's place. You probably recognize him. This is where we come and get our ass kicked in the fall with Brennan. But hopefully this trip is different. It's June 21st today, and Kaleb says the fish are moving up shallow. So as you can see behind us, we got the bow fishing rig set up. We're gonna go out on the river here this evening for a few hours, see if we can't get into some fish. And then tomorrow we're gonna go out pretty much for a full day and even let the two boys get in on the action. But tonight, us two are gonna go out, see if we can't stick a few fish and just change things up for this week's Semi-Live. So hopefully he's a better guide at fishing than he is hunting, and we can put some fish in the boat this week.
Japé.
Japé.
Down here we're more channelized, so we got more of the wing dikes going in and out. And what I'll just do is I'll go upriver and I'll just come back down, working the backside sandbars and the in and outside upriver and downriver sides of wing dikes. And on those we can usually get on some grass carp. So hopefully the grass carp are up good, and then if we can get on the backside of sandbar and find some big head here to shoot this evening. But should be a good evening. We got sun, not a lot of wind, and the water's pretty damn clean, so hopefully they're up pretty good.
Spot number one right here, and we're all rigged and ready. We're gonna see how good Kaleb is at putting us on fish now.
We'll see how good JP is at shooting the fish.
Yep, that's true too. One of us had to get one. I was gonna say, oh, I think we both.
We doubled them. That's a good buff. Let me get out of this corner.
Where do you want me? Down here?
Just grab them and throw them in the barrel.
That's a mess.
Yeah, we'll get her figured out. Watch yourself.
Hey.
Like I said, when you get a shot, rip it. You can shoot that far. Oh. Right below them.
Man.
We're gonna have fun. Pick a spot. Name it. Oh, got one. Oh. 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. No wonder you need a hockey helmet.
Got him.
Did you get one?
Yep. I seen blood.
Japé!
Hey. My buddies want to come in here too. Oh,
Right
yeah.
to the old dome ski.
Right to the dome.
Get him in the barrel, boy.
Heads up, boys.
Get him in there. That's why I said we forgot the bucket. Good job, bud.
Yep. That one ain't.
That's all right. Hey.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, right below him.
Get him?
No, right below him. Oh, that was a big one.
Oh, just missed out.
Got one, baby! Right in the old head.
Good work.
That might only be my third or fourth one I've shot out of the air. Look at that. Took out its old eyeball.
All right, it's just going on 8:30, finally back to Caleb's house. Fun, eventful night. We've seen a lot of fish. Just, it's tough to see them in the water and before they see you, and they're pretty skittish. So we're taking long shots and just kind of a tough evening. Then we went and shot flyers or whatever the heck he calls them, right?
Jumpers,
flyers, Asian carp, whatever. But that was fun. Something different. We've never done it, and it's an interesting tactic. You literally just run the boat and they just start jumping out of the water. You try and shoot flying objects. So that was pretty cool. They even landed in the boat. When they started going, it's a heyday. Charlie took one off the dome, and you know, it's just got hectic. But fun first night here in Nebraska. We are gonna probably sleep in just a touch tomorrow morning. Penny, I guess, is gonna make us an awesome breakfast. And then we're gonna hit the water probably by like 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, once that sun gets up good and high. And supposedly Caleb's taking us to a hot spot. So it's gonna be cool. Hopefully all of us can get in on the action. I'm not gonna make these guys film me all day. I'm gonna jump behind the camera probably most of the day. I got a lot of shooting in, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. So I will let them have a heyday. But it should be fun. So we're gonna go out all day tomorrow and see what we can do, and that's gonna be a wrap on the week. But I think we got something good tomorrow planned. So what do you think?
Job A.
That's all we got. See you in the morning. All right, it is June 22nd, the next morning, and we're finally to the boat launch, and we're gonna hit the river. Over my left shoulder, just up a little ways, is a dam. Caleb's buddy was up there a couple days ago and did pretty well, so we're pretty excited to get the boat in the water and get after it this morning. Things are gonna be a little different today than they were yesterday. I'm gonna let Chuck and Ricky, our two interns, have a crack at them today. They both got licenses today. So we're gonna probably dump in. Caleb and I will shoot for the first little bit, see how things are going, and then hopefully it's going really well and there's fish everywhere. We'll let the two boys get after it, and I'll kind of run camera, and we'll just kind of let them do their thing and have some fun. That way we all get in on the mix, and it's not just them coming along for the ride. So that's the plan today. We're gonna be out here as long as the fish allow us to be. If they're out here all day and we get into them, we're gonna stay out here the majority of the day. If it's slower, we'll see what else we can get into, but that's the plan. We're gonna dump the boat in the water right now and get after it. Well, we just dumped the boat in the water, got everything ready on the boat, got the barrel in place, bows are set, and we are heading upriver to the dam. There's a bunch of slack water. They don't have the dam ripping or anything like that, so those fish like to sit in that slack water up there, so we're gonna go check that out for a little while. We do have some other guys that are out here doing the same exact thing, which doesn't hurt. I mean, there's so many fish in here. We've seen plenty just when we were putting in the boat. So hopefully it lines up to be a good day. But literally, we're only, I don't know, probably half mile from the dam. We're not that far. So we're just gonna ease up there and hopefully we get into them. But as you'll see, the guys will kind of pan around. We aren't gonna be the only ones up there doing it. So that'll be kind of cool. Probably get some footage of other people having some success, which is always nice. But other than that, it's a beautiful day. We're out fishing instead of sitting on the computer back home, so you can't complain. We're just gonna go have us a day and have some fun.
Shoot that thing. Did you
What?
get him?
It like bounced off of him, I feel like. It like stunned him.
That was a common.
Yeah. Like literally I must have just like barely hit him and it was like enough to like send him sideways for a bit. Ooh, that one hurt.
Ooh, ain't going there again.
I was like just, must have been low. You did. Oh my gosh. That is legendary. Check that out, boys.
That might be the smallest gar I've ever seen.
When you said I'm gonna try and hit him, I got good luck.
Oh, literally, I shot at the fish you hit.
I like won this for me, boys.
It's a really good buff. Get over here, buddy. Oops.
Oh,
My bad.
Need me to gaff him?
I got him, boy. You
right.
just keep your eyes open.
Yeah, I will.
Oh!
Don't
we got
lose
a
him.
scale.
Don't lose him.
Another scale. Another scale.
Why don't you just kill him?
We're about to lose him.
Yeah, so maybe just get him in the boat.
Yeah.
There you go.
Better hurry.
Oh, come on. Did he? Come on. All right, boys.
I mean, that wasn't a miss.
We gotta tighten the drag. Tighten it. Really went.
It's probably loose from the spoonbill.
Oh, hold school, hold. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, just over the top.
Oh, stuck. Silver carp holder right there still. Where'd they go?
Gotta aim a little lower.
Yep. Went on a clinic out here, boy. Yucky silver carp. Right there, big shadow.
Shoot it?
Yeah, shoot it. You see that shadow? Uh-oh.
Got it.
There's a bunch there too. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Go on the right side. Bunch of fish right there. That's a good common. That one might want to gaff. Here's another one. Buff, baby.
Get out of your way. Jump down.
Another buff. Chill, you psycho.
Nice shot. Jesus.
There's a big head. Right in the dang tail. Is that thunder? Come here, boy. Come get in the boat. Come get in the old barrel, boy. Yappy. That's not gonna be a spoonbill up here. No.
Nice coming. Woo!
Yappy.
Just let me know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. You got one? Yeah, he's up.
I think that's a spoonbill behind it.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all spoonbill.
That was a long shot.
Buffalo. Another one. That barrel's getting fuller by the second. See one? Oh, I see it. Oh, got it. Yes, sir. Duck dial, boy.
Thought I shot over him, got him just to the top of the back.
Dial.
Coming down.
I'm gonna make a killer out of them.
Want to close this thing?
Yeah, boy. Let's go. 3, 2. Oh, I took off swimming.
Fish on, baby.
Let's go. Chuck's dialed. Is it a good one?
Nah,
Hey.
went in.
Hey. How we looking there? What we got? Buff? Oh, that's a good silver. That's a good silver. Yes, sir. That was dirty.
There we go.
Big one. Got him.
Oh, that's a giant.
That's a good one.
That's a giant.
That's a big one. Where's that gaff? I'm gonna come to your right side. Oh. There we go, there's a 20 plus. Oh. Yes, sir. That's what we've been looking for, a big one right there. Right in the old head. Right there. Aim really low. Got him. Go on the outside.
I don't really have them that good, I don't think.
You got him right through the dome. Oh, you got him on the...
Imagine that. You can't hit him any better than that. Right in the dome. Comes off.
Comes off. Big one, big one, big one.
Oh, yeah. No. One, I think.
I got the, not the big one though. That fish was big. That fish was big, big. Like that fish was bigger than the one in the barrel.
Yeah.
Babies.
You drilled that one. I was gonna say, I seen you hit him right in
I think I got two.
Might have to.
I do got two. We shish kebabbed them, boy.
Oh, shish kebab.
Did the other one get off? Oh no! Oh, we're about to lose him. Oh, there he went. Almost had the 2-for-1 special. Not quite good enough. Got him. What? You got him. You got
I was
him.
gonna say, like, come on. Oh, yeah, he ain't getting off. Shouldn't say that too early. Are you shitting me? The arrow was through him. Oh my God. Like, is something messed up with this tip? I'm starting to think that.
You're all the way through him.
I had him wrapped around. This might get moved up to like we leave at 340.
Our barrel could be full if you had it figured out over there.
I'd be at 8. I've never been in a sport besides golf that has pissed me off as much as this one today. That's no lie.
Oh yeah.
Got him.
We put a hurt on the buff
look at 'em all
population
up there.
today. Here, I'll get you closer. Well, I was trying to. There's this one right here.
That's low. There's up.
There you go. Right
There, I think I got him.
Did you? I thought you missed.
I did.
I did.
Thought I hit him. Nope.
Chuck's about to get his bow back out. That a boy.
Okay, come on now.
Want me to double shoot him?
I don't know. I'm having very nervous issues right now.
You want a net?
Please, please, please. We did it.
Chappé!
We did it. I've never been so happy for a little fish in my life. Oh. Boy, this is what that looks like. Easy, boy.
That's a pretty good one there.
On the board. Only took me 6 hours since my last fish in the boat. But we did it. So, see if we can't do it again. You got him. Damn.
Yeah. Get out of the bottom of the boat. Oh yeah, boy. Get on up in that barrel.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Look at that.
Double, baby. Mine's stunned. All right, behind the old noggin.
Ooh, that's a pretty good one.
Got a little belly on him.
Yep.
Double trouble.
Barely got him.
Oh yeah, quit horsing him. Get him in the boat, boy.
Oh, there's one missing. I think that's the whole school right there. Oh, right in there.
Yup, hey.
Fish back there.
That's what we need, a couple more to fill that barrel. Right in the tail. Oh, that's why it's fighting so hard. Oh, you're about to lose it. Yeah. Get him. Oh, just barely. How's that make you feel, JP?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
All right, well, that is going to be a wrap on today's semi-live. We had an absolute blast today. I struggled quite a bit, but Ross and Charlie and Caleb, they absolutely hammered them. So it was a blast being out on the water. Can't say thanks enough to Caleb for letting us come over from Iowa to Nebraska. Have a fun day on the water, fun night last night. And we just got wrapped up cleaning the fish, getting those taken care of, getting rid of them. And we're probably going to head back to Caleb's for the night, grab some dinner. Sounds like we got a fish fry that his parents are putting on for us. And we might just have some beers, so at least some of us. We got one young gun on the crew yet, but the rest of us might dabble in some beers. And other than that, we're gonna relax and then head back to Iowa in the morning. So it's been a fun, good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, something different for the channel. Like I said, we're in that time period right now where it's right before deer hunting stuff starts rolling out. So we just wanna keep bringing you guys different content weekly, and we will catch you guys right here on next week's Semi Live.